Okay, everyone's ready. Now you have a tool pouch in there. Can you take your tool pouch out?
Chris Levitt is a building contractor, not a teacher. But in this first grade class, today's lesson is about tools.
Does everybody have a hammer in their box?
Teaching kids to use tools is a symbol of hands-on learning at the St. George School.
Down and turn.
And this approach covers just about everything, from driving nails
And just keep doing that until the nail goes in.
to using computers and 3D printers to how is hands-on, minds-on. And they believe in this approach so much that St. George has decided career and technical education, normally part of high school, should be a prime focus for everything traditional learning, but making it best taught first grade in St. George for 32 years. And St. George hopes these early lessons
What's the Phillips look like?
can interest more kids in pursuing the building trades and technical jobs when they grow.
Screw started. You can
And builder Chris Levitt, who's also on the board for this project, says it's about the future of their town. And years after St. George's old Grace Institute went away, they say the basic concept is still